Hello students, welcome to my class. Today I am going to take your math subject. In that we are going to see lesson number 6. The name of the lesson is multiplication. What is multiplication? You all know tables, right? In that we say 2 ones are 2. Like that only you have seen the sign this in tables, right? So this is the sign of multiplication. Now before starting to our lesson, they have given us little warm up. See here, count the number of sheep altogether. Altogether means addition, right? In the earlier lesson I have explained you. Now see here, they have given group 1. In group 1, how many ships are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ships are there? 4. In group 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4 are there. In group 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. In each group you have seen 4 ships are there, right? And how many groups are there? 1, 2 and 3 groups. Now these are dash groups. How many groups? 3 groups, right? Of dash ship in each. In each means in each group there are 4 ships. So I am going to write here 4. Okay. So there are dash ship altogether. That altogether how many are there? Count 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total number of ships are 12. So there are 12 ships altogether. Then now see here question B. Count how many sandwiches are present in each lunch box. Now you have to count how many sandwiches are present in each lunch box. First see how many lunch boxes are there. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Dash lunch boxes means 3 lunch boxes. 3 lunch boxes have dash sandwiches. Now we have to count all together. Dash sandwiches all together means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 sandwiches all together. Okay students, I hope you all have understood. Now in this lesson what we are going to see, look ahead, multiplication as repeated addition. Yes, repeated addition means this only. Tables of 2, 5 and 10. You all know tables of 2, 5 and 10, but we are going to see in this lesson multiplying vertically, multiplying by 0 and 1 and multiplication stories. Now see here, my way ahead. Fabian, Azhar, Manjeet and Revati are playing musical instrument for a song in their class. Let us sing the song given and also enact. Now see here, they are singing a song and enacting them. 2 times 2 is 4. Clap your hands more and more. 2 times 2 is 4. Clap your hands more and more. 3 times 3 is nice. I have a mic and I sing very fine. 5 times 5 is 25. Hit the drums bang bang bang. 10 times 10 is 100. Singing and dancing never make me tired. This is a song they are singing and enjoying in their class. Okay. 2 times 2 means 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is how much? 4, right? 3 times 3. See here, I will write here only 2 plus 2. 2 times means 1 time, 2 time. Yes. Here time is very important. See here, 2 times 2. 2 times 2 means 1 time, 2 time. 2 plus 2 is 4. Here 3 times 3. 3 times 3 means 3 times you have to write 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. This way they have done. Okay. Now multiplication as repeated addition. Now we are going to see multiplication as repeated addition. We can do multiplication by addition also. Now see here. Repeated addition means adding the same number again and again. Repeated addition means we have to add the same number again and again, like this only. Okay. When each group has the same number, we use repeated addition. When each group. Now see here, each group is having same number of ships, like that only. When each group has the same number, we use repeated addition to find how many are there in all. Multiplication is a faster way to do repeated addition, but multiplication is the faster way. We use cross sign to show multiplication. We use this sign to show multiplication. Let us observe multiplication in detail. Look at the following groups and find how many cupcakes are there altogether. Now see here, in this there are 2 plates, yes, or you can say 2 groups. 2 groups. In one group how many cupcakes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and here also 1, 2, 3, 4. In each the group they are having 4 cupcakes. Okay. Now there are 2 groups of 4 cupcakes. There are 2 groups of 4 cupcakes, right? Now 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, right? There are 2 groups, that's why they have written 1 time 4 here and 1 time 4 here, means 2 times 4. 2 times 4 means 8. This is called repeated addition, or we can do by multiplication also. 2 into 4, 2 4s are 8. This is the multiplication sign. Yes, 2 4s are 8 is the multiplication sentence. In multiplication we do, or we write like this. We say this as 2 times 4. Yes, we say how we are going to say 2 times 4 is 8. Thus, there are 8 cupcakes altogether. When you count altogether, the answer will come 8 only. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, answer is 8 only. But in the multiplication, we do it faster. 2 times 8 means 4. You all know table of 2. Yes, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Yes, like this. Then, now they have given my practice time 1. Okay. Before that, I will give you one example. Okay, before starting my practice time 1, I will give you one example. Multiplication as repeated addition. As repeated addition. Okay, now suppose I have drawn here circles. In one group I have drawn here 3 circles. Okay. This is group 1, this is group 2, and this is group 3. Okay. Now group 1, group 2, group 3. How we are going to do multiplication in repeated addition? Yes, here is 3, so I will write down here 3, then I will put plus sign. Addition means plus, right? So I will put plus sign. I will write again 3 and again 3. In group 3 is 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. You can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our answer is 9. Yes, or we can do in this is repeated addition. This is repeated addition. Okay. Now in multiplication how we are going to do? 3 into 3 or 3 times 3 is equal to 9. This is multiplication sentence. Okay, 3 times 3 is 9. So how we are going to say? 3 times 3 is 9, correct? So yes, 3 times 3 is 9. So there are how many circles? There are 9 circles altogether. Okay, I hope you all have understood. Now we are going to see my practice time 1. Now see here, how many drums are there altogether? Now we have to count how many drums are there altogether. Now first we will see dash groups of dash drums each. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I am going to write here 5. So 5 groups of dash drums each, means in each group how many drums are there? 1, 2. So I will write here 2 drums each. Yes, and repeated addition. Now they are saying to do in repeated addition. So what we are going to write? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and 2. Okay, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 8, sorry 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10. Okay students, now see here multiplication sentence. Now we have to write multiplication sentence. Yes, how many group is there? 5 groups. So we are going to write 1 2 3 4 5. I will write here 5, and in each group how many number of drums are there? 2. So 5 times 2. 5 times 2 means 10. You can count and check your answer whether you are getting 10 or not. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 means there are 10 drums altogether. I hope you have understood, students. Okay, one more I will solve for you people. How many pencils are there altogether? Now see there how many pencils are there altogether. Now dash groups of dash pencil each. How many groups are there? 1 and 2. So I will write here 2 groups of dash pencil each, means in one group how many pencils are there? 1 2 3 4 5. Here also 1 2 3 4 5. So I will write here 5. 2 groups of 5 pencils each. Now we have to do this in repeated addition. How we are going to do it? 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Yes, 5 plus 5 is 10. Then multiplication sentence, how we are going to write? 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is there. This is 1 and this is 2. 2 times 5. 2 5s are also 10. Now there are dash pencils altogether. Count all of you. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So there are 10 pencils altogether. Okay students, this question you are going to solve it. Now using repeated addition, fill in the boxes. We have to do repeated addition. Now 4 times 2 is, 4 times 2 means, first we will write here 4 times 2. 1 2 3 4. This is 4 times 2. 1 2 3 4. 4 times 2 means 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 2 8. Means our answer is 8. So 4 times 2 is 8. Okay students. Now 5 times 3 means, 5 times 3 you will write like this. 5 times 3 means 3 you have to write 5 times. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 1 2 3 4 5. We have written 5 times 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So 5 times 3 is 15. Okay students, remaining you are going to do by yourself. Okay, similarly you have to solve this. Now they have given table of 2. Starting from 2, color every second box. Now what they are saying, starting from 2, we have to start from 2 and we have to color the every second box. Okay students, so we have to start from 2. So I will start from here. I have taken green color, you can take any color whichever you like. Okay, then every seconds they had said. So first, second, so 4, then first, second, so 6, then again first, second means 8, then first, second means 10, then first, second means 12, then first, second means 14, then first, second means 16, then first, second we will color 18. Okay, then last one is 20. Now write down the numbers you have colored up to 20. Now we have to write down the numbers we have colored. Okay, now first one is 2, then 4, then 6, then 8, then 10, then 12, then 14, then 16, then 18 and then 20. This is the 2 times table. This is the table of 2. Okay, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8. Okay. So, this is the table of 2. Now, see here they have given 1 times 2 means 2, 2 times 2 means 4, 3 times 2 means 6, 4 times 2 means 8, 4 times 2 is 8, 5 times 2 is 10, 6 times 2 is 12, 7 times 2 is 14, 8 times 2 is 16, 9 times 2 is 18 and 10 times 2 is 20. We can also count in 2's on a number strip. Now, here see here how many jumps of 2 are required by Kingo the kangaroo to reach its baby. See, his baby is here. Okay, this is kangaroo. Now, what they are saying, how many jumps of 2's are required, how many jumps, 5 jumps they have given here. See, this is 1 jump, this is 2 jump, 3, 4 and 5. So, how many jumps? 5 jumps. Her baby is on number 10. So, we have to do here table of 2. Yes, from 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8 and 8 to 10. So, 5 times 2 is 10. So, how many jumps they have taken? 5 jumps. 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, 4 jump and 5 jump. Okay. Now, see here. Now, see how many jumps they are taking. See, you can count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many jumps? 6. So, I will write here 6 jumps. Okay. So, jumps of 2 means table of 2. Okay. Now, it is on which number? 12. So, what I am going to write? 6 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 2 means answer is 12. Okay, students. 6 jumps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 jumps, yes, and 6 times 2 means 12. Now, this one you are going to do it by yourself, okay, like this only. Now, table of 5. Starting from 5, color every 5th box. Now, we have to start from 5. Again, I will take green color. We will start from 5. Every 5th box now they are saying. Now, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, this is 5th, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. So, I will color. Okay. Then again 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. Then 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 20. Then 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 25. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 30. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 35. Then 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 40. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th means 45. Okay. Then 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th means 50. Now, write down the numbers you have colored up to 50. Now, we have to write down the colored numbers. First one is 5, second one is 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. This is the 5 times table. This is the table of 5. Okay. Now, let us study 5 times table in detail. 1 5s are 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 5 is 10, 3 times 5 is 15, 4 times 5 is 20, 5 times 5 is 25, 6 times 5 is 30, 7 times 5 is 35, 8 times 5 is 40, 9 times 5 is 45 and 10 times 5 is 50. Okay. Now, see here they have given the bananas also. They are also, see if you will see 40, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Yes. Now let us count on 5s. Now we have to count on 5s on a number strip. Yes, this is the table of 5. Okay, 5 times table. Now how many jumps they have taken? See here, first they have written 7 jumps. We will count the jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. So they have written here 7 jumps, of which jumps of 5. How 5? See here, after 5 they have given 10. Right. This is the 5 time tables. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 means they have skipped. Means this is 5 time tables, that is 7 multiplication sign 5. So 7 times 5 means 35. This is 7 times 5 means the answer is 35. Now see here, dash jumps of 5. How many jumps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many jumps he has taken to reach his baby kangaroo? 8 jumps. Okay, 8 jumps of 5, that is 8 times 5. That is 8 times 5 means, see here, the answer is 40. 8 times 5 means, see, 8 times 5 is 40. So our answer is 40. Okay students, I hope you all have understood. Now similarly you have to do this table of 10. This is, let us study 10 times table in detail. See, 1 times 10 means 10, 2 times 10 means 20, 3 times 10 means 30, 4 times 10 means 40, 5 times 10 means 50, 6 times 10 means 60 and 7 times 10 means 70, 8 times 10 means 80, 9 times 10 means 90 and 10 times 10 means 100. Similarly, you will going to solve this, how we have done of table 2 and table 5. Okay. Okay students, now we have to match the multiplication sentence with its product. 2 times 2, 2 times 2 means 4, right? 2 plus 2 will be 4, so 2 times 2 is 4. So we are going to match it. You will scale, you will use scale when you do the matching process. Okay, when you match with any number you have to use scale. 6 times 2, 6 times 2 means 12, 6 times 2 means 12. Six times 2 means 12. Okay. Now similarly you will solve the remaining one. Now next is fill in the blanks with the product. Now 9 times 2. 9 times 2. Yes, how you are going to do 9 times 2? 9 times 2 means, in a simple way you should know the table of 2. Okay. And if you don't know the table of 2, what you are going to do? You will write 9 times 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This way also you can do, and by learning the table of 2. Now 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. So 9 times 2 is 18, but you should learn the table. Okay. If you will learn the table, it will be easy for you. So 3 times 2 is 6, right? 5 times 2 is 10. 7 times 2 is 14. Okay students, now you have to complete this remaining problems. Okay, how I have done that way only. Now we are going to see next topic, vertical multiplication. Vertical multiplication. As in addition and subtraction, we can also multiply two numbers by arranging them vertically. Now consider 4 into 2. 4 into 2. Arranging it vertically, we have like this: 4 into 2. This is multiplication. This is multiplication sign. Here we can say 2 times 4 or 4 times 2. 4 times 2 or 2 times 4 means 8. 2 times 4 is 8. Here 8 is the product, means here 8 is the product. Now I will give you one example. This is vertical multiplication. They have given one example here, 2 times 4. So I will arrange first. Suppose I have written here, I will put multiplication sign. Suppose I have taken here 7 and 2. So 2 times 7 means 14. So I will write here 14. The product is 14 is the product. Product means the answer. Okay, product means the answer. Now see here, they have given my practice time 3. Okay, my practice time 3. Find the products. Now this is the multiplication way we are doing. Okay, you can say 5 times 1 means 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 3 means 15. Right? 5 times 4 means, or you can say 5 fours are 20, 2 twos are 4, yes, 2 sevens are 14. Okay? Now remaining we are going to do as I have done here. Okay? Now we are going to see multiplying by 0. Now we are going to see multiplying by 0. These are 3 plates. See here, 1, 2, 3. Yes, these are 3 plates. Yes. Can you see any laddus on the plate? Can you see? No. Here means here is 0. Here is nothing there in the plate. Okay. In other, here 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 only. Yes. In other words, these are 3 groups of 0 each. 3 groups of 0, yes, that is 3 times 0. 3 times 0 means 0. We say that 3 times 0 is 0. Hence, there are 0 laddus on the plates. There are no laddus, means 0 laddus, right? From above, we observe that when we multiply any number by 0, the answer is always 0. Remember students, whenever we multiply any number, here they have given you 3, if here it will be 5 and 0, it will be multiplied by 0, the answer will remain 0 only. Whenever you will multiply any number by 0, the answer will always remain the 0 only. Okay. Now, see here, multiplying by 1. Now, they are saying multiplying by 1. Fabian has put 1 laddu on each plate for her friends. Now, see here, on each plate there is 1 laddu. Okay. Here 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means 3, 1, 2, 3, right? In other words, these are 3 groups. Yes, 1 group, 2 group and 3 group. That is 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. How we are going to say? We say that 3 times 1 is 3. Right? From the above, we observe that a number multiplied by 1 gives the same number as the product. See here what they are saying. If we multiply any number by 1, the same number as the product. Hence, there are 3 laddus in all. Now, I will give you an example. First, I will give you the example of multiplying by 0. Okay. Multiplying by 0. Okay. Suppose I will take here 4 times 0. 4 times 0 means 0. Yes, 4 times 0 means 0. 4, I will explain you in addition, repeated addition also. In addition form, how we are going to do 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so the answer is 0. Now, multiplying by 1. Multiplying by 1. Okay, we will take any number. Suppose I have taken 5 times 1 is 5. Yes, 5 times 1 is 5. Means in addition form, it will look like this. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. Okay. Suppose I will take one more number. Suppose I have taken 7 times 1. 7 times 1 means 7. Whenever the number is multiplied by 1, it will give the same number answer. Okay, it will give the same number as the product or answer. Now my practice time 4. Fill in the blanks. 6 times dash is equal to 0. When we get 0, when we multiply with 0 only. Okay, 6 times 0 means 0. 6 times 0 means 0. Yes. Then B1, 9 times 1. 9 times 1 means when we multiply any number with 1, we get the same number as the product, means 9 times 1 means 9. Okay. One more I will solve for you people. 2 times 0 means 0. Okay. I hope you all have understood. Remaining you are going to solve. Similarly I have done. Okay. Now mental maths. See, state whether true or false. Now we have to tell whether it is true or false. See, 1 times 10 means 10. Yes, 1 times 10 means 10. Correct. So we are going to write here true. T-R-U-E, true. So now see here, the multiplication fact of 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 3 times 10. Yes or no? 3 times 10 it is 1, 2, 3. 3 times 10 it is correct. So I am going to write here true. In the same way, these two you are going to solve. Okay students, now we are going to see multiplication stories. Yes, earlier we have done word problems, like that only. In multiplication also there are word problems. See here, for example, there are 2 nests. There are how many nests? There are 2 nests. If each nest has 3 birds, then how many birds are there in all? We have to find out that. Number of nests are 2, and number of birds are there. How many birds are there in all? In one nest 3. So 3 times 2 means 6. Thus there are 6 birds in all. Okay. Now see here, they have given us one story. Now read the multiplication stories and fill in the blanks and boxes. Now see here, there are 2 cars on the road. They are saying how many cars are there? 2 cars. Each car has 4 wheels. So first we are going to write here 2. How many cars are there? 2. And each car has 4 wheels. So I will write here 4. Okay. Then 4 times 2 means 4 2s are 8, right? So I will write here 8. So there are 8 wheels in all. Okay. I will solve second one also for you people. There are 4 children walking on the footpath. Okay. How many children are walking on the footpath? 4. Each child has 2 balloons. How many balloons are there in all? So first we are going to write 4 children are walking, right, on the footpath, and each child has 2 balloons. Okay. Now here you will say table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. We want to say 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. So I have written here 8. So there are 8 balloons, right? Similarly, you are going to solve this remaining 3. Okay students. Now in this lesson what we have learnt? We have learnt multiplication. In that we have seen repeated addition, means adding the same number again and again. Okay. In this we have seen table of 2, table of 5 and table of 10. And in this lesson we have seen number multiplied by 0 gives 0 as the product, and number multiplied by 1 gives that number itself as the product. Okay. What is multiplication? Multiplication is the result of a repeated addition. Okay. And product is when we multiply 2 numbers, the answer is known as the product. Okay students, I hope you all have enjoyed the lecture and you have understood Okay students, we are going to meet in next lecture. So take care, bye, thank you.